Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chisel tools for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SWANLAKE Punch and Chisel Set. If you're a woodworking enthusiast looking for an extensive set that offers both variety and durability, the SWANLAKE Punch and Chisel Set 16 PCS could be your best choice. This versatile set includes taper punches, cold chisels, pin punches, and center punches, all made from heat-treated chromium vanadium steel with a hardness rating of 5458 HRC. Weighing just 2.53 pounds, it's easy to handle. Customer reviews rate it 4.6 out of 5 stars, praising its durability and variety. Plus, it ranks number 3 in metalworking chisels, ensuring you're getting a reliable toolset for your projects. No batteries required, just pure craftsmanship. Moving on at number 4, we have the ValueMax Heavy Duty Cold Chisel Set. The ValueMax Heavy Duty Cold Chisel Set 3-piece stands out as an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradesmen seeking a versatile tool for various projects. With sizes of 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 5/8 inch, these chisels are perfect for carpentry, metalwork, and masonry. Made from chrome vanadium steel with heat-treated, drop-forged construction, they boast a robust edge hardness of 5860 HRC. You'll appreciate their cutting prowess on materials like wood, stone, and metal. Customers rate them 4.4 out of 5 stars, praising their effectiveness in tasks like tile removal. Consider upgrading the holder to better protect the edges. At number 3, we have the C&T Heavy Duty Cold Chisels Kit. For woodworking enthusiasts seeking versatility and durability, the C&T Heavy Duty Cold Chisels Kit 3-piece is a standout choice. This kit includes 3/8, 1/2, and 5/8 inch chisels, perfect for carpentry, metalwork, and masonry. Crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these chisels boast toughness and wear resistance, with a hardness rating of 5458 HRC, ensuring they won't dull quickly. Each chisel size is clearly marked for easy identification. The kit comes with a handy storage sleeve, though some users find the tie a bit short. Rated 4.6 stars by 207 reviews, it's covered by Amazon's 30-day return guarantee. At number 2, we have the Wood Chisel Set for woodworking. Looking for a versatile and reliable woodworking tool set? The Wood Chisel Set for woodworking 4-piece might just be your perfect match. This set includes chisels in sizes 6mm, 12mm, 18mm, and 24mm, making it ideal for various tasks from carpentry to crafts. Made from durable carbon steel, these chisels boast sharp, long-lasting blades suitable for soft, hard, and laminated woods. The non-slip ergonomic handles guarantee comfort and control, whether you're a beginner or a pro. With a 4.6 star rating from 323 reviews, users praise its quality, sharpness, and value, making it a worthy addition to your toolkit. And finally, at number 1, we have the HORUSDY 3-piece Heavy-Duty Cold Chisel Set. If you're a woodworker who frequently tackles metalworking tasks, the HORUSDY 3-piece Heavy-Duty Cold Chisel Set is a fantastic choice for your toolkit. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, these chisels boast a hardness of 54 to 58 HRC, making them ideal for cutting rivets, rods, and bolts. You'll appreciate their heat-treated design that prevents rapid expansion of the head, ensuring long-lasting performance. Available in 3 sizes 3/8 in, 1/2 in, and 5/8, and they're perfect for working with steel, brass, and more. With a stellar 4.6 star rating from 455 users, they're praised for quality and affordability. Enjoy a 30-day return policy via Amazon. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.